Okay, you get the idea. It's raining. It's Friday. It's raining in the Villages. So what are you gonna do? Why don't you come to an open house? I'll be here from 1:30 to 3:30. I'm on Pisano Way. Check out this house. It's a 3-2, 8979 Pisano Way. Luxury vinyl plank flooring, so you don't have to worry about your feet getting the floor wet. If you're not busy, come by the open house. My name is Don Calenda with Keller Williams Cornerstone. I'd be happy to help you purchase a house in the Villages, Florida. My number is 808-631-8291. Stay dry today.